Hi.
Hi.
Wagwan.
Gwaan.
Can you say Wagwan, Joe?
Gwaan.
That's how you say hi or how are you. Mickey, tapping eyes. Mickey,
That's you. That's
Mickey,
your
can you
name.
say tapping eyes? Mickey, say tapping eyes.
Tapping eyes.
You guys understand, but you guys don't know how to speak it. Mickey, say tapping eyes. No? You don't want to say that? Mickey is upset, guys.
I mean, like,
Okay. Okay, so this is how you ask somebody where they live. Which part you live? Can you
I like candy.
You like candy?
Why not candy?
No, I said which part you live.
The balloon. I say balloon.
Joe, can you say which part you live?
Which part you live?
Not you. Yo. Which part you live?
Yo. Don't
It's too hard? Is it too hard, Joe?
I like which part you live.
You like that one better? Okay.
Fancy to me.
It's fancy to you? Okay, so you like fancy? Mickey, sit down. Sit down. Kaya behave like you don't understand patois. Joe, you know what sit down mean? What does it mean?
You sit down.
That's right. Mickey. Okay, Joe, what does this mean? Go put on this.
Go put down something.
That's right. Okay. If mommy says, me nah no money, what that mean?
Yeah.
Huh? What does that mean? Me nah no money.
No money you have. You just have work.
So if I say go put on that, what does that mean? What does that mean?
Go put it down.
Yeah? Good.
What if you touch it?
If I don't want you to touch it, I would say not touchy. Like that.
And what if I still touch it?
Then me say me I go boss it head boy.
Eh, boy.
Like that.
Mommy, do you say boy in Jamaica?
Hey boy? Yes.
No, boy. That's how you say it.
Hey boy, come here. Like that.
No, you say like this. Boy.
Who told you that?
Jaden.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
Okay, Joe. If I say me love you, what does that mean?
I love you.
I love you. You see, so you understand patois, Joe, eh? So you're Jamaican.
I don't want Jamaican.
Why not? But you've only been to Jamaica one time when you were just a baby.
Right.
Jamaica is great, man. You're Jamaican because mommy's Jamaican.
I
Careful with Mickey hand. Yeah. Osh, Mickey. Osh. Huh?
I like Jamaica.
Why not? No. It's nice there. It's warm and sunny and lots of beaches that you like.
I love beach. Me?
Yeah, you want to go to the beach, Mickey?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I want to go to the pool.
And lots of nice chicken. And you guys like chicken.
I like sweet chicken.
You're going to swim in the water?
I have that fun.
And have lots of fun. That's right. Good job. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of our video. So you're going to say bye by saying later.
Bye.
No, later. Mickey, say later.
Later.
Later, Joe.
Later.
Not later.
Not gummy.
Say later. Joe, say later. What do you Josiah? Me say if you say later. Okay, you're Jamaican, man. So
I do not want Jamaica.
you're Jamaican.
No!
Mommy's Jamaican, you're Jamaican.
No.
So you're what?
Canada. I'm supposed to be Canada.
You're Canadian?
Yes.
Okay.
What's Canadian?
Because you're living in in Canada and you're a citizen. Right?